Hey everyone, it's Keke here and welcome back to another video. We're jumping straight into the video. Today we are doing a wash day in style, and y'all, my hair is super dry. It's getting colder outside and my hair is having a harder time retaining moisture. So I'm gonna be trying out Prose hair care. I've always been a strong believer that not all products work for everyone's hair. But what if that's not true anymore? Prose believes that personalization works better, which is why you see my name on every single bottle. Prose is a hyper custom beauty and hair care brand that offers made to order products. Once you receive your products, they come with the pump nozzles that you'll need to attach before using, and now we're ready to go. I just love this concept so much because your customized products are a result of the consult you take online. You just head over to their website prose.com and they're gonna ask you very in-depth questions about your daily routine. If you're stressed, what's your diet, your water intake, which is something that I need to do better with, not gonna lie. And it even goes into detail about the environment where you live. Like, I've never seen that before. I love that you get to pick what your ingredients are. I chose this scent because it kind of smells like autumn. And then it also asks what your goals are. It lists the ingredients that they choose for you and what they'll be used for. Once you've completed the quiz, it's simple as checking out and then waiting for your products to arrive. And once they do, you get this card envelope with the slip that breaks down your custom hair care routine, as well as individually lists each product as well as the ingredients. Come on, that is just amazing. I'm super excited to give this a try, so let's go ahead and get started with our wash day. The first thing I'm gonna do is go in with my custom hair mask, and I just cannot get over my name on the bottles. But I'm gonna leave this in for 15 minutes, and I need to start off with damp hair, so I did dampen my hair. I love the consistency and the scent is so pleasant. I am obsessed. I love how this feels on my hair. It's not heavy at all, and I feel like I'm gonna get some great moisture from this, so I'm very excited to see how this turns out. The directions said to focus on the mid links to my ends, so I'm not going to be putting this product on my roots. So I'm just trying to make sure that I cover each strand to my best ability. And once I finish, I just put my hair in a top bun and let that sit for about 15 minutes. And after that, it's time to hop in the shower. I thoroughly rinsed out the hair mask because we definitely don't want any buildup. So I did this for about the first 5 minutes or so. Now that this is all rinsed out, it's time to go in with my custom shampoo. I love that these came with the pump nozzle because that really helps me out during my wash days. It's easier to get the product out, and look at how well this lathered on the first wash. I love a product that can do that. For the first wash, I only focused on my scalp, but the second one we will get into the ends. But I'm just really impressed with the lather so far. It feels very nice and I don't feel like my hair is being stripped at all. And of course, I am rinsing that out again to get ready for the second wash. And of course, if it lathered up that great on the first wash, it's gonna lather up even more on the second. And this time I am focusing on my ends as well, really making sure to get rid of any dirt and debris all throughout my hair, focusing on the back as well. And I like to massage and scratch my scalp to make sure we get the best clean scalp possible. And now it's time to rinse again, but I did go in for a third wash off camera. And this is what my hair is looking like after just the shampoo. Very excited because my hair already feels a lot softer. Now I'm going in with my custom conditioner, and the consistency is everything. So excited to put this on my locks. And I've been conditioning for a while. It really helps me out with added moisture. And just like the other products, I am making sure to coat this conditioner on every single lock because I want to make sure that my hair gets the maximum moisture. And they are feeling very moisturized, and I also love that this conditioner is very lightweight. So now I'm gonna wait for 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and rinse that out again. And I am, like I said, making sure that I get every single piece of product out of my hair because I do not want any buildup. And I like to take a little extra time on my wash days because those are a part of my self-care routine. So now that I'm done, I am just wringing my hair out and going in with my microfiber towel. And now it's time to go ahead and get to styling. So for my style, I want to do a 2-in-1 look, and I am going for some cornrows, and then that will transform into a braid out. But can we take a moment to appreciate the moisture that I have right now from these 3 products alone? Look at my curls popping. Okay, now to get a crispier look, I did go in and retie my edges because I feel like that just makes the look a lot cleaner, and it almost looks like I got a fresh retie, but I really don't. So since my hair is moisturized, I definitely want to retain that. So I'm going in with the leave-in conditioner that is customized to me. I just can't get over that. Sorry. But I'm just going to apply this to my entire head. And let's also take a moment to appreciate that I have no unwanted frizz. Hello? Where's the frizz? I don't see her. My locks are looking refreshed and brand new, and I am here for it. And now let's jump into the styling. So I'm gonna do 6 cornrows, 3 on each side. And to define my braid out, I'm gonna be using my customized curl cream. And I'm just gonna take a generous amount and apply that to each section. And it pretty much has the same consistency and scent as the leave-in conditioner. And to seal that in, I'm going in with my hair oil. Oh my goodness. This smells like heaven. I just want to rub it all over my body as a perfume, no lie. But after I apply that to my locks, I'm going to apply that to my scalp as well and massage that in. And I'm going to leave a couple tendrils out in the front. Y'all know I do not like tension, so I'm trying to braid as lightly as possible. And I'm just doing regular straight back cornrows, nothing special or no designs. I don't even think I could do designs since I have Microlocs, but I'm just gonna braid that till the end and then secure that with a rubber band. And once you are done, it should look a little something like this. And it is okay that I have a couple flyaways because I'm gonna be putting this in a bun anyway. But I love a good 2-in-1 style, especially when the first part of the style is a protective style because you can wear that as long as you like. On top of that, it's a great way to seal in moisture, especially with it getting a little colder outside. I gotta say though, I'm super impressed with Prose Haircare. I've never had a customized hair care routine for me. I can't even say anymore that hair care doesn't work for everybody because Prose has legit proved me wrong. It will work for everyone because it's custom and tailored to you. It works with all hair types, whether it's straight, wavy, curly, or coily. And of course, locks. My hair really loves shea butter, sunflower seed oil, and avocado oil, which were a few of the ingredients that they put in my products, so I was very excited about that. But let's get into the glowing skin and the glowing scalp. Do you see her? I know you do. But we're just putting this in a low bun, and you can leave your tendrils loose like this, but I wanted to take it a step further and add in a couple rollers to give her, you know, some curls. I want to see what she's gonna do. You know I love me some good cornrows, especially on a fresh retie, but I have never tried it with the curly tendrils like I have been seeing everywhere. I had to give it a go. And I let these rollers sit in for a couple of hours because me and Boo Bear went downtown to file for Greenville. So let me go ahead and take the rollers out so you can see the results. And I was gonna go with the look I had earlier, but I wanted to do a little soft glam, and I'm obsessed with how she turned out. But here's the results. Oh, that one could have been a little curlier, but I mean, for a couple hours, they definitely did what they needed to do. It may not have even been a couple hours, maybe like an hour and a half. But this last one, she did her thing, okay? Look at that. Very impressed to know that my hair could take a curl with so little time. That's that curling cream for you. But get into look number 1. I'm so obsessed. This is definitely the only way I will be wearing cornrows moving forward with the hanging tendrils. She is a moment, she is a look. But let's go ahead and get into the next day, which is the braid out. Now, of course, you can keep the braids in a lot longer than I did, but I wanted to see how these curls were gonna be. So I'm gonna take them out one by one, and I would say my hair was about 95% dry. Definitely could have left them in for another day, but as you can see, she still got a really nice curl to her. I'm very, very impressed with that. But moving along, I'm just gonna continue to take every single braid out and we'll come back with the results. My hair definitely took more to the smaller braids areas because I feel like those did dry a little bit better. But y'all, I still got some definition. Get into the look, get into the shine, and let's take a brief moment for the side part. I love a good side part with a braid out, and I love everything about these looks as well as Prose product. So go ahead and check them out, do your consultation, and get your customized products. The link is in my description. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.